Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I will be painting this paint kit for you guys today. Whenever you order a paint kit, you will receive the cutout, the paint, the brushes, and the Sharpie marker that I use in this video. I've gone in first and base coated my product in the gray provided using a number 12 flat and then let it dry. And now I'm going in and beginning to paint the details on it. I paint two of my flowers in lavender, one of them in this pink color, and then I'm going to go in and paint my greenery in the lime color that's provided. And then I'll also go in and paint these little details brown. And you could go in and do those green if you wanted to, but for some reason I was feeling brown. And then once I'm done painting those brown, I will go in and begin to paint my lettering. And I will be using black for that. And you can use a Sharpie marker if you want to, but because it's a little bit thicker, I chose to use paint versus the marker. And I'm also going in with just a little bit of white and brushing that onto the seams or the shiplap lines on my sign. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And I will just go in and outline all of my details here. Just make sure that everything's dry before using this marker. And then once I finish outlining everything with my Sharpie marker, I'll go in with a number 4 round and some white paint, and I will highlight everything. And whenever I highlight, I like to hug the edges and follow the way that my painting kind of moves. So like the curvature of the lettering and the curvature of the flowers, I'll kind of follow that as a model for my highlights. And then once I'm done with that, I will be done. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.